Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from one network to another in 2025. If you're dealing with blockchain networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Tron, this guide will help you move your stablecoin smoothly and securely. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it ideal for transactions without wild price swings. But why transfer between networks? It's all about speed, lower fees, or compatibility with different DApps. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have a compatible wallet set up, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, that supports multiple networks. Start by selecting your source network, the one where your USDT is currently held. For example, if it's on Ethereum, make sure your wallet is connected to the Ethereum network. Next, you'll need a bridge or a cross-chain service. Popular options in 2025 include multi-chain, Layer 0, or even official exchanges like Binance Bridge. These tools let you swap USDT from one chain to another seamlessly. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Go to the bridge platform and connect your wallet. Step 2. Select the USDT token on your current network and choose the destination network. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Wrong networks can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the fees. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so pick the best time. Step 4. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Once it's done, your USDT should appear on the new network. A quick word of caution. Always use reputable bridges to protect against hacks, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT like a pro in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.